You know, y'all, I am furious. I'm furious. I mean, I'm beyond furious. Well, really, I'm not, but but I really am, but I'm not. Okay, here's why. Okay, and let me explain to you guys. This is the power of Forex. Okay, this is the power of Forex and being consistent with your behavior. Okay, so this week I have been teaching in class about how to adapt to the changing environment that we're dealing with in Forex, meaning the market has changed due to the coronavirus or the COVID-19, they're calling it now. But due to, panic and things not being sure, the market has just drastically changed. And so I had taught you guys, including yesterday, I showed you guys how to utilize the now latest strategy. And I went step by step with it. I decided after traveling, teaching, and traveling and teaching, I am exhausted, or I was. I decided I'm going to take my behind to sleep last night. And I want you guys to watch this. I'm going to take my behind to sleep last night and break my normal routine of getting up at the regular time that I normally do to look for some trades. Let me show you what happened last night. Oh my freaking God. And let me count them out as we go. Before we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to show you 14 different trade setups. Oh my God. Oh my God. I mean, you could have quadrupled your account. Triple arrow setup, and this is the 15-minute. Oh, hold on. 15-minute. And I don't have the indicator up, the info plus, but I'll just tell you which pairs they are. All of these are the 15-minute time frame. All of them. Okay. All of these that I'm gonna call out are on the 15-minute time frame. So the first one is AUD CAD. All right. And this was AUD CAD. Let's take a look. Oh my God. 424 pips. Oh my God. Wow. All right, here we go. This is the AUD Swiss CHF. 390, just say 400 pips. 400. AUD USD. This one gave, oh my God, 345 pips. This is GU. Thank God it didn't give a whole lot. Triple arrows came in. You guys know where to put your stop loss, but it still came up. So right here to here, you still would have made 170 pips. Okay. Wow. AJ. I call it AJ, AUD, JPY. 445 pips. Euro, New Zealand. Look at that. Oh my God. I missed out on everything. That was, don't tell me, 1,000 pips? 1,400? That can't be real. Hold on, let me go to the 4 hour. Oh my God. Oh my God. 1,400 pips. Euro AUD. And I told y'all, when they keep pushing that price up, be on the lookout. Look, that was close to 1,400 pips. Oh, I'm sick to my stomach, boy. But now I don't have the coronavirus. I got the missed out on opportunity virus. Look at this. Look at this. Clear, clean. Triple arrows. 351. Euro JPY. Now this one jiggled around. It shook its butt. You know where to put your stop loss, but you could have still nailed 110 on that one. And that's EJ. Let's go to ECAD. Oh my God, I'm sick to my stomach. Oh my goodness. Right here to here. 457. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The one day I decided to get me some sleep. It pulled back. It wouldn't have hit our stop loss because y'all know where to put it. Those who are in the group. 306 pips. All this was last night in one day. In one freaking day. 411 pips on GJ the Dragon. GBP JPY. NJ, New Zealand JPY. Oh my God. Oh my God. I could have been wealthy in one day. 400 pips, 431. Look at this. This is NZD, USD. Look at that. 346 pips. I don't even want to count how many thousands of pips that was that they gave away last night, and I was asleep. Because I decided to say, you know, I'm tired. Let me take a day off, and look what I missed out on. This is unfreaking believable. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know what to. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say. It's wow. Okay.